Look at a typical Nissan Rogue. We're racing to a stoplight. 7 now. It's not. Yeah, it's confirm, confirm, confirm.
Hello.
There you go. Have a good day. Thank you. Take care. You too. Rex, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
How you doing?
Thank you.
One. Yeah. Have a good night. Yep, he's doing what you think he's doing. He's having a bad day. Daniel, yeah. Thank you. Almost fallen. Thanks for texting while driving, sir. Have a nice night. He's looking down at his phone and he's inching forward in a crosswalk. He could have run over a pedestrian. He could have run over me. Front. Yeah, there you go. Demand isn't high. Yeah, sure it isn't. It's the excuse they use so they don't have to pay people.
Hey, your car, come. It doesn't matter. Stop stopping.
That's what these kids. Stop stopping. Stop stopping at an intersection. That's brilliant. That's why these people get run over. What are you doing? Get over there, nut. Look out, lady, look out! Oh my god. Just once across the street. No. Oh, good. This is why I wait. It says don't walk for a reason.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Picture. Light. Damn it. It's alright. Sue Joy?
No, it's not ready yet.
Oh, okay, I'll wait.
What do you want?
Thank you.
I'm sorry.
That's okay, no problem. Okay.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Thank you. Take care. You got it? Okay, thank you. Okay. Thanks for signaling. It's always good to, not signal. Because you never know when a vehicle might be behind you, whether it be a bike, a scooter, a person walking, who knows? Okay, thank you. Look at just people standing out here waiting for the order, and they leave it there and they walk away. Elvin M. There's no number I have to put it in. Thank you. That's it.
Thank you.
So you have to, press 13 times to verify the order. Because you know why? Because people steal. That's why. This is so freaking annoying. Verify, get a pickup number, because people are creeps and they steal stuff. These delivery drivers, a lot of them. They just take it out of the store and they take it home. Like the creeps that they are. I mean, it's a pain in the ass, but it's the price, what the rest of us have to do it because, a lot of people can't be trusted. It's the way it is. Yeah.
I'm gonna give you the pin.
Yeah. Yeah. Have a good day.